All right, next example. So again, I am adding two rational expressions. When I'm adding any fractions, the first thing I always need to do is make sure I have a common denominator. Right now, my denominators are x plus 3 times x minus 3 and x plus 3. So x plus 3 is in common with both of them. Thinking back to our last example, what is my common denominator going to be? I already have an x plus 3. So hopefully you are able to recognize that our common denominator is going to be x plus 3 times x minus 3, just as it is in our first term here. So I'm going to leave this term exactly as it is. What am I going to do to this term? I need to multiply by x minus 3 over x minus 3. So here we go. Our next line of work is going to be 9 minus 3x over our common denominator of x plus 3 times x minus 3. I'm going to add that with 2x over x plus 3 times x minus 3 over x minus 3. And I go to simplify this. I'm left with 9 minus 3x over x plus 3, x minus 3 plus, I'm going to go ahead and simplify 2x over x plus 3 times x minus 3 over x minus 3. So 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. And then I have x plus 3 times x minus 3. Because I have two fractions with the same common denominator, I can go ahead and add my numerators. Combining like terms, I only have a 2x squared. Negative 6x and negative 3x is negative 9x. And plus 9. All over x plus 3 times x minus 3. Right, now we want to reduce, but our numerator is not written as a product, so we want to do that by factoring. I'm going to go ahead and box and diamond 2x squared minus 9x plus 9. Multiplying up 18x squared. All right. So what multiplies to 18x squared and adds to negative 9? Hopefully you are thinking of negative 6x and negative 3x. I'm going to use those to figure out what my factors are. 2x, x, -3, -3 times -3 is +9. So rewriting my numerator as a product, I have 2x minus 3 times x minus 3 over x plus 3 times x minus 3. Hopefully you are recognizing we can be canceling something out here. We have an x minus 3 over an x minus 3, which gives us a value of 1, which essentially means we are multiplying 2x minus 3 over x plus 3 times 1. So our final answer is going to be 2x minus 3 over x plus 3.